The water park is small, but there were quite a lot of slides, few queues. It is convenient that everything is nearby. We left the children in the children's area, we rode the slides ourselves, lifeguards are watching. The food is inexpensive, tasty. The tickets themselves are also affordable, though it is a long way from Patong Beach. You can't take food with you, as well as towels. But they didn't really check us. Loved this place, so worth the money, and most of the rides there was no waits. We definitely recommend to all families, but the food is pricey, that's all. Almost instant confirmation with Klook. Fuss-free and efficient way of getting entry. There's a prepaid watch that you need to purchase in order to get food and drinks. Very strict entry, no outside food, water or towels allowed. Luggages are to be kept at the main entrance and there's a guard there to watch over. It was very hot on the day we went, but was extremely fun and exciting for the children especially. It's a long way up to climb to get to the high slides and you will need to carry your mats and tubes up on your own. Some rides have a height limit of 120 centimeters. Very fun, a water park suitable for a family, with slides, playground slide emoji, lazy river, etc. The fees are reasonable, the place is clean, close to the airport. Cabana is 600 baht. You can rent it without renting. The restaurant is in the middle of the park, a better restaurant. Beautiful water park, excellent and fast service. My kids enjoyed their clean delicious food, sure will come back. Excellent service, fast, beautiful water park, good food, clean area, everything was fantastic, will come again. Surprisingly good. The facilities are fun. The area is not big, but the games are very exciting and fun. It is near the airport, which is convenient for arranging my itinerary. After I went to the park to play, I went to the airport to board the plane. It is convenient to use multiple methods to pay, and the park can accept the arrival of the whole family. Excellent service, good food, clean area, nice water park. My kids love the water park, I recommend to visit. This place is near our hotel. This place is just nice for our family with 2 young kids, age 8 and 5. All the slides are at the center so it's easy to get around. Food is good as well, we spent the whole day here. Pizza. Great water park. We had fun. Smile made a mistake with the date and the local operator fixed it for us. We really appreciated the help. Just as fun as always. First time here when the water park first opened. After many years, going back to play is just as fun as ever. The staff at the food zone are lovely and provide full assistance in finding my son. The bathroom lockers are clean and safe. The lifeguards really take good care of us. We were just talking to our partner about whether there was a nurse's room and the oil plaster came off. The lifeguard walked in and said he would take us there. He was very kind. Anyway, thank you very much for taking care of us while we were using the water park. I recommend going there. Good place. Arrived before departure from the airport. For a child 6 to 8 years old, a lot of entertainment. Tickets with discount. Arrived, left luggage at the entrance. Our tickets were already at the ticket office. Great savings. I bought it day after day for 3. At the checkout the girls scanned the QR and a confirmation came out. This is not the first time we have used Klook discounts, verified. We will continue to take everything with discounts. Very nice. The best price we could find at the time of ordering. The company is loyal to its clients, ready to meet if necessary to reschedule the date. The water park is small, but a huge plus is that there are few people during the season. There are no queues for the slides. In general, the children are happy.